Alright, what we're going to do on this, that's 290, it says 290, but it's got a 390 top end on it. And what we're going to do is swap this muffler out. Because right here, it is completely wallowed out. We're not worried about muffler modding or anything like that. Just going to do a real simple switcheroo here and not really worried about how it runs. So I know it runs, it just, he says, oh, it rattles so bad, so. Yeah, I understand why. It's because that bolt over there does absolutely nothing. Well, really, that bolt was not even existent. Just gonna take all them bolts completely out. And then we'll use this new gasket. Well, really in a gasket. But anyway. I'm going to take these and just lay them in here. Which them's not really hard at all to put in. Then I reckon just, you know, line the bolts up with the holes and push her through. And just because I want to do it just for a little extra measure, a little extra precaution, I'm going to get my little bolt box out and we're going to put some washers on them. And them are a little bit longer than the ones that come off of it. Which ain't going to affect anything because it still sets them way back in behind that dog. I don't think them even come from the factory with the washers on them, but they get them from here before they leave. You know, if this was having a pretty obvious problem, I don't see any reason I had to tear it down or anything, because it kind of showed itself as what the problem was. And just for good measure, I'm gonna take the old nuts and put them on there, and I'm just gonna jam nut this stupid thing so it don't move. I mean, I probably could have thrown some kind of Loctite on there, but that's right. I didn't have one there. But I do have one there. And that thing shouldn't go nowhere. It ain't exactly pretty, but it will never come loose again either. I probably could have crimped the nut down and made a lock nut out of it, but to me that's going to work just as well. Like I said, it don't stick out no farther than the case does. Our collar fixed.